All right, what's going on? So we're gonna do something a little bit different, and I'm just going to explain the difference between trading. I'm not going to go too deep into it. And normally, every video I do charts and show you how to do the strategy over and over and over. But we're not going to do that today. I'm just going to speak about a little bit about my journey as well in trading. Let's get into it. All right. So I did take some notes. So if you see me looking down, this at my notes. All right. We're gonna get into Forex trade, but getting started in Forex trading. One of the biggest decisions you'll make is choosing the right trading style. And believe it or not, a lot of people who come into this trading space, they see a lot of YouTube videos, like you're probably watching mine, and they don't actually get it down packed which works for them. They see, oh, I make money on the 5 minute, I make money on the 10 minute, I make money on the 1 hour, I make money on the daily, the weekly, whatever the case may be. But that trading style doesn't actually fit your lifestyle. So we're gonna get into that. Should you scalp? Should you trade intraday? Should you swing trade? So in today's video, I'm gonna break down each of these trading styles, explain the pros, and I'm gonna explain the cons, and share why I personally swing trade. All right, by the end of the video, you'll have a clear idea on what trading style fits you the most. All right, so make sure you stick around. And if you have liked my videos in the past and you like what I'm rocking with, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and let's move on from there. All right, so scalping. All right, if you're brand new to the game, if you've been in the game a while, you already know what it is. But if you just now starting, you're a beginner, I'm going to explain to you. Scalping is all about quick trades. You're in and out the market within seconds. Sometimes even, basically within seconds. The goal is to grab small profits multiple times throughout the day. The trading style requires fast execution and a low broker spread, and a lot of focus, and a lot of that is the focus. While scalping can be profitable, it's also mentally exhausting. I promise you it, and this is what I am going to promise you, that trying to work a 9 to 5 is going to be exhaustingly hard trying to scalp, and to the point where it's impossible. You know what I'm saying? To be focused on the job and then trying to focus on trades on a little bitty phone or whatever the case you may be, or at the computer, switching back and forth from your job to trading. All right. So again, this trading style requires fast execution and low broker spread and a lot of focus. All right. Well, scalping can be profitable. It's also mentally exhausting, like I said, and demands constant screen time. You have to be at the screen to scalp. You can't be scalping, call yourself a scalper, and then you're over here stocking shelves, or you over here counting inventory and then trying to look at your trades at the same time. You have to definitely be focused. And if you thrive on that fast-paced action, and you can handle the high stress, then scalping might be for you. Again, I'm not saying it can't be done, but again, if you work a 9 to 5, it's definitely going to be a little bit harder on the hard side. All right, so we're going to get into intraday trading. This is where you open and close trades within the same day. You're not holding trade positions overnight, and it's the middle ground between scalping and swing trading. All right, you still need to watch the charts actively, but you're aiming for bigger moves than scalpers. The downside is you have to deal with the daily market noise, like the news, big swings, and it could be emotionally draining as well to constantly manage trades. But if you like analyzing setups and execution, multiple trades in a day, intraday trading could be for you, or it could be your style. All right. So both of those things I started off with. I started off scalping, then I went to intraday trading. I went from the 5 minute. I never did the 1 minute or 2 minute. I always started with the 5 minute. I did 15 minute, and then intraday trading. Then I did 30 minutes. Then I did an hour. And a lot of those things didn't work for me. I'm not saying it can't work for you, but it didn't work for me because I had a job. I was actually, in the Army. So it's kind of hard to deal with soldiers and also have soldiers under my watch and trying to trade on the phone, scalping or looking at trades constantly. out there, and I was 88 Mike, which is a transportation. So I'm in the motor pool with these big heavy trucks. So I can't be messing around with trucks trying to, navigate soldiers and still looking at my phone trying to take trades. It just wasn't meant for me. Now, for somebody else, like I said, it might be good, but for me, it wasn't. All right, so let's get into the swing trading section. All right, so this is my personal choice. All right, this is my personal choice. Swing trading is all about catching the bigger moves in the market by holding trades. You can hold them a day. Sometimes I hold them 3-4 days, and sometimes I hold them a week. Now, I've never held any trade longer than a week, because if you've been following me or if you're in my Discord channel, I don't hold things over a week, So, but instead of stressing every tick or every pip in the market, I focus on the high probability setups, and I let my trade play out, and I'm able to go do other things. And the biggest advantage of it is that you have less screen time when you swing trade. You don't have to watch the charts all day, and it allows you to have a more structured and a relaxed approach. But the con of this is, or the downside of it, it requires patience and proper risk management. And I focus and tell everybody this who's in my Discord channel, and shameless plug, I do have a free Discord channel down in the link below, but I also have a paid Discord section where you can actually go in and catch my trades throughout the month for swing trading. And I also have one-on-one counseling sessions, things of that nature. So take advantage. All right, let's move on. So at the end of the day, swing trading, you have more. If you work a 9 to 5 or you have another job, swing trading would probably be the answer for you, simply because you only need to check the charts once a day. You only need to check the charts once a day at the close of business at 4 o'clock Central Standard Time, 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. When the candle switches over, you check your charts. And once you get good at it, it'll take you about 15 to 30 minutes, not even 30 minutes, probably about 15 to 20 minutes to catch a setup. All right. And so the myth about swing trading on the daily, I'm going to say daily. Now, you can swing trade on the 4 hour. You can swing trade, look at the daily time frame, and you can analyze it and go down to the 5 minute and catch an entry there, whatever the case may be, is right. But the thing about it is, you don't have to worry about checking the charts more than one time a day. You get what I'm saying? And I take this on the daily time frame. And if you've been following my channel, daily time frame, daily time frame, daily time frame. All right. So again, why did I choose swing trading? It's simple. It fits my lifestyle. All right. It fits my lifestyle. I like to work out in martial arts. I'm also in school for IT. So, and then, I got other things I need to do, so I don't want to be glued to the screen 24/7. I'm going to just be honest with you. For some, whatever they got going on, I don't care. But I prefer high quality setups over rapid trades. That's just me. Swing trading allows me to follow my plan, manage risks effectively, and avoid the stress of constantly being in and out of trades. All right, because I'm going to tell you, when I used to scalp or intraday trade, once I get out of a trade, I didn't want to take it. That trade automatically was stressful enough. I didn't want to get into another one. All right. So, but however, again, it does take patience. All right. If you have a full-time job, I'm going to be honest with you, and I keep beating this dead horse. If you have a full-time job or you're in school full-time and you just prefer a laid-back trading style, swing trading might be the way to go. I'm going to be honest with you. To me, swing trading is king in my life because I don't want to be stuck to the charts all day. All I got to do is check it one time a day and get in, get out, whatever the case may be, and I'm out. Other than that, I hope that made sense. Let's wrap it up. All right. That's a wrap again. To sum it up, scalping is great if you love fast-paced action. Intraday trading is a good balance, and swing trading is perfect if you prefer patience and bigger moves. Which trading style do you think fits you best? Drop a comment and let me know what's your best trading style. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your bell for notifications so you don't miss out on all the future content. I see y'all guys in the next one. All gas, no brakes. Swing trading is king.